Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning supporters, thank you for joining me. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please subscribe before you go. Today I'm making my Jamaican Easter bun. Steps are easy as always, guys. So let's get straight to the kitchen. Here is a fast run through of our ingredients. Here we have salt, baking powder, cinnamon powder, mixed spice, nutmeg, honey, eggs, browning, sugar, dragon stout or dark stout, whichever stout, flour, mixed peel, currant, raisin. I'm using 2 types of raisin, butter, and all the ingredients will be in the description box below. Okay guys, our first step is that we're going to melt our butter. To the melted butter, we're going to add our stout, our jam, honey, sugar, brown in your vanilla, and you mix until all the sugar granules dissolve. Remove from flame and allow to cool down, okay? For the jam, you can use strawberry jam too if you're not able to find the guava jam. And here I have a small amount of molasses. I'm adding that also to the stout mixture. Moving along, guys, here I have my eggs. I'm beating them and I'm going to add my rose water and vanilla to that mixture, okay? At this point, I'm adding the warm jug and stout mixture to my egg, and I'm adding it in small amount so that it doesn't scramble the egg if it's too warm, okay? You temper the egg before adding everything too, and then mix everything together with the stout, okay? Moving along, guys, here I'm adding my dry fruits, my currant, mixed peel, cherries, and raisins, and I'm adding that to the stout mixture. Next, we're going to save all our dry ingredients, mix to combine, then we combine all the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. While mixing, guys, if you see that you need to adjust, like add more browning to the mixture, this is the right time to add it. And please, guys, don't over mix the mixture, okay? Once you get rid of all the dry flour and it's completely mixed, then that's it. Don't over mix. At this point, guys, your oven should be preheating already and your loaf pans should be prepared, okay? Just butter and put wax paper. And for filling the pan, we need to fill it around 3/4. Now we are down to our last step, guys. I'm going to sprinkle some raisin mixed peel, currant and cherries on top. Then I'm going to place in my preheated oven, allow to bake for 60 minutes. After which I'm going to test with my toothpick. If it comes out clean, then it's all done. And here are my ingredients for my glaze: honey and butter. I'm going to melt the butter and then I'm going to mix the honey inside. Here is my bun fresh from the oven. I'm going to allow it to cool down a little before I remove from the pan. Then I'm going to glaze on top and right around, okay? All the sides. And here you have it, guys, my Easter bun. The smell, guys, is out of this world. Can't wait to devour it. And here is a close-up shot. It's moist and delicious, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Test it out. And guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't have your bell on, please do so. And as I said before, if it's the first time stopping here, please subscribe before you go and join the family. It's free. No, we can't have Easter bun without tastiest cheese. So here I've served it with some tasty cheese. And it's yummy, guys. I can say that. Hope you guys test this out. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, guys, as usual. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time. Bye.